Hello friends and my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel Civil with Sudhir. In today's video, we are discussing the Indian Army is released a notification for different engineering graduates and for the other graduates also. So all the details about that, how many posts and what are the different categories, as well as how many posts are there and what is the exam pattern, what is the selection process, what is the age criteria, because age criteria is very important in Indian Army, right? So all these factors we will discuss in this video. So before going to start, please like, comment and share our videos, as well as don't forget to subscribe our channel Civil with Sudhir. Let's begin. First, go to the Google and search www.joinindianarmy, right? joinindianarmy.nic.in. Join Indian Army dot nic dot in, right? And enter for the search, and you will redirect it to this website. The website name is Join Indian Army, that is the central government, government of India, central government, this is job. And you will redirect it here. You can see their website, and you can click here officer selection. You can see on the screen there is an officer selection, and click here the notification. When you click on the notification, you will redirect it to another web page, and you can see there is a subject short service commission technical men, short service commission technical women, right? So they have released different two notification on 25th May. Today is 31st, so I am making video late, sorry for that one, because I was some busy in the emergency, right? So we will click here and we will see this notification here. Okay, so this is the notification that Indian Army has released the. So we will discuss about all here. So application, 1 minute. Okay. So application are invited for unmarried male and unmarried female. So okay, first condition. So you should not be married, right? Unmarried male and unmarried female. Widows of defense personnel for the October 2021 Officer Training Academy at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, right? Okay. Next. So what is the eligibility? You know, eligibility is, that is the nationality. You know, you should be an Indian. Okay. So all those you know, but this is important. Age limit, right? Age limit for SSC Tech for technical 57 men and SSC Tech 28 women, 20 to 27 years. This is very important. 20 to 27 years. Very important point. On October 2021, okay, they will follow very strict formalities, their rules, and born between 2 October 94 and 1 October 2000, both days inclusive they have given, right? So this is for the videos as well as for the others. Next is educational qualification. For educational qualification, they have given like this: final year, right? First of all, you should completed engineering, any streams of engineering, right? Or if you are in final year also, you are eligible for this post. If you are in final year, you are eligible for this post. Okay, so your final year mark sheet should be available within this date, 1 October 2021. You have to produce to the Officer Training Academy, Chennai. If you are able to produce in this date, then only you should apply. Otherwise, please don't apply for this post. Okay, if you not submitted before this date, they will reject you, right? Next, for induction of pre-commission training after final selection, this is not important. If you want, you can take down this one. Final semester of studying candidate will be provisionally allowed for the. See, they will allow to write the exam, if any exam or any interview, they will allow, but you have to submit all the certificates. Now, graduation in any discipline, educational qualification for widows of defense personnel, right? So educational qualification as well as in technical, B BTech, BTech in any graduate, those are eligible for the widows of defense personnel. If you are any, if in your family anyone from the widows of defense personnel, then you can apply if you are from these two backgrounds. These two backgrounds. Now, very important point. What are the vacancies? What are the vacancies? You can see for SSC Tech 57 men, right? So vacancies are 60. So what is the engineering stream? 60 or for civil or building construction technology, right? Equivalent engineering stream. See, all we are the students. I am also the engineering students. I am a civil engineer, right? So I have studied this as my engineering. I have taken this equivalent engineering stream as a civil engineer. If anyone taken structural engineer or building engineer or any other type of related to civil, if you are in this list, then you can apply for this post. If you have done your engineering from these following posts, then you can apply for this post. Okay, so simple. So you have 60 vacancies in Indian Army. Okay, so these are also, so for the architecture also they have given one post, for mechanical also you have 5 posts, and electrical and electronics you have total 8 posts. Okay, and for electronics you have again 2 posts. For computer science and engineering or computer technology MSc computer science, you have 31 posts. Okay, so by seeing this one, we can say that in civil only we have 60 posts. For computer science we have 30, sorry, computer only we have 31. Okay, so there is a big opportunity for all the civil engineers. Please don't ignore this one. And the selection process I will tell you in the upcoming video of this. And telecommunication 4, as well as electronic and telecommunication 5 posts. Okay, these are all about the vacancies list. Aeronautical, if you have done aeronautical, then also you have 6 posts. Electronics and information 4 posts. Automobile 3 posts. Production as well as 3 posts. And industrial or manufacturing industrial engineering 6 posts, right? So all the posters, total 175 posts they have given. Total 175 posts. In 175, civil, for civil it is 60, for computer science it is 31. So majority, so 91 posts of only these two streams. Okay, so for civil engineers and for computer science engineers, it is very good opportunity to apply, and it is direct selection. This is very important point, and this is a direct selection. For SSC technical, okay, there is a separate another vacancy. If you want to watch, if you want to get clear idea about this one, it is listed in here. You can visit there in the annexary. Okay, so mechanical also there is a post, electronics, computer science, right? So next one is very important, that is the, so remarks, that is vacancies. Vacancies mentioned, they may vary. Okay, that's important. Next one is type of commission. This is not important. Yes, training is important. Selected candidates will be detailed for training at the Officer Training Academy, Chennai, according to their position in the final order of merit. Means in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, there is a training. Okay, after selection. So duration of training is 49 weeks. Okay, 49 weeks. See, they have given another important note is that during this 49 weeks, they will not allow you to meet anybody, or you can't go outside or you do marriage. Okay, don't laugh. This is, they have given like this only. You can see in this paragraph they have given you can't do marriage in this time. Okay, so if you done marriage or if you done any rules and regulation, very tight rules and regulation from Indian Army. Okay, next is tenure of engagement, means how many years this job will be. So they have given 10 years. Okay, after 10 years, depends upon your performance, they will increase, right? So depend upon the project also. So 10 years it will be very fine job, and they will give good salary also. Don't worry about the salary, they will give good salary as well as good allowance also for all of you, right? So cost of training will entirely done by the government expenses, not, you will not pay any type this one, right? So if you not, while during training, if you leave that training or that government institute or that hostel, so you have to pay this amount, right, due to loss of that one, right? So don't do like this, don't leave, right? Next, promotion criteria. This is not important. Let me check important part. That is the qualification, other allowances. These are all allowances they will give. Depends upon the different vacancies. Now important point. Let me wait. Okay, how to apply? Right, you can see how to apply. See, this is a website of Join Indian Army. For applying, www.joinindianarmy.nic. When you visited here, you can see there is an apply online here. You can see on the screen apply online. Before that, please read the instructions carefully. This is very important, right? If you done any mistake, they will reject directly you. Okay, so register. After that, you can apply. Next, very important point, selection process. All of you need this one only. Very important. How they will select? They will directly selecting on the percentage basis. Percentage basis. Okay, so they are selecting directly on the percentage basis. So how many, for total 4 years percentage they are taking for all the engineering, for MSc, or if you have any 3 years, then they are taking the 3 years average what percentage. On the percentage they are shortlisting, and there is an after shortlisting there may be an interview, right? There may be an interview. It is casual interview, don't worry about this one, right? So they will give interview if anyone selected, so I will make the interview video also, don't worry. Okay, this is a selection process. If you want to, you can read, right? So cumulative percentage of the all the semester they are taking here. Okay, so this is about what? This is about the selection process. So center allotment means after, if you have selected, so shortlisting of application, the center allotment will be intimated to the candidates via their email. They will send you an email. You have to select the centers. So where are the centers? What are the options to select the dates for the candidates may be forfeited due to occurrence of any exceptional, they are telling. Okay, so they will do the medical examination also, right? So they will do the medical examination also. You have to undergo the medical test also, right? 1 minute, I will tell you the centers, what are the different centers to give the interview or that one, right? Bangalore also there. Okay, let me show you in the website only. You can see. Okay, 1 minute. Right, selection center, you can see Allahabad selection center, Bhopal, Bangalore, and Kapartula, Punjab. This is the 4 they have given, right? But while applying for the post, they will give the when you got the mail, right? After getting mail, they will give options to select the what interview place, right? After interview, for document verification, you have to visit the Chennai, Tamil Nadu, their head office, right? So this is about the very important points regarding the selection process, as well as the how many vacancies are there, right? And the online application are already opened 25th May 2021 from 15 hours, and will be closed on 23 June 2021, right? So they have given 1 month, right? Please go through this website. Okay, you can see this website and you can apply directly from this website. If you have any type of doubt, please comment in the comment box, so that I can reply to you. If you want to this website link, please click on the description box. I have already attached the link of this website. Okay, so if you have any type of doubt, please comment me, and please subscribe our channel Civil with Sudhir. Thanks for watching video, my dear friends and students. Have a nice day.